In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Dzine AI, an all-in-one AI design and creative platform that aims to help creators, marketers, designers, and even beginners generate high-quality visuals, images, and videos without needing technical skills. Dzine AI combines image generation, photo editing, video creation, lip-sync avatars, character creation, and many other creative tools in one place. It's marketed as a powerful alternative to juggling multiple separate apps for graphics, animation, and editing. And in this review, I'll walk you through what it does, how well it works, and some of the pros and cons I've found from testing it and reviewing real user feedback. One of the first things you'll notice about Dzine AI is how comprehensive the feature set is. At its core, it includes text-to-image and image-to-image generation, allowing you to type what you want and let the AI craft visuals in various artistic styles. It also offers advanced editing tools like background removal, object insertion, in-painting, and generative fill, meaning you can take existing images and tweak them quickly without layers or complex Photoshop techniques. On top of this, Dzine has expanded to include video tools, lip-sync animation features that bring static characters to life with synced mouth movements, and even consistent character systems to reuse your unique designs across scenes, something many creators find valuable for branding or storytelling. Dzine's pricing is built around a freemium model. You can start with a free plan that gives you daily credits to try out basic image creation and editing features. And there are paid tiers if you need more credits, video generation capabilities, higher resolution exports, and advanced tools like 3D exports or custom style training. The beginner plan sits at a low monthly price with significantly more credits and watermark removal, while the creator and master plans unlock heavy video generation, large asset storage, character training slots, and priority support. This structure means you can experiment without paying, but serious creators will likely want to upgrade for larger projects or commercial use. In real use, Dzine AI can be a powerful tool, especially if you value having image and video tools in one workspace. Many users praise its user-friendly interface and how it simplifies tasks that would normally take hours in traditional software. The auto-prompt generation and canvas controls make it easier for beginners to get good results faster than prompt-only tools. For creators producing thumbnails, visual ads, character assets, or engaging social content, the breadth of tools can reduce the need to subscribe to multiple apps. However, it isn't perfect. Some users report that Dzine can be inconsistent, especially when it comes to video generation or complex prompts that require a lot of credits. There have also been critical reviews pointing to occasional reliability issues, slow generation times, and frustration over credit usage when results don't meet expectations. On third-party review sites, feedback is mixed, with some users loving its capabilities and others frustrated by performance or customer support challenges, so expectations should be managed accordingly. If you're primarily looking for a one-stop platform to experiment with AI visuals across images and video, Dzine AI has a lot going for it, especially for creators who want to streamline workflows. But if you need rock-solid reliability for professional video work or advanced manual control like a dedicated design suite, you may still find limitations. Still, the free tier makes it easy to jump in and test it for yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Dzine AI or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.